Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is gonna be part 2 in the process of modifying my ct100. So today in this video I'm gonna show how to install KTM Duke 200 handlebar in my bike. The reason why I'm installing this is you'll get a better road grip and good comfort while you're riding the bike. So I'll just show you the whole process. Let's continue. But before this, I'll give a link to my previous video. In that video I've showed you how to install Pulsar 150's forks and disc brakes in ct100. So check out that link in my description. So let's continue with my video now. Yeah guys, so as you already know, this is my ct100, and in my previous video I've showed you how to install this disc brakes in the front section, that is using Pulsar's T-stem along with suspension. So this is gonna be part 2, and today in this video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this Pulsar's handlebar, which is over here, as you can see. So I'll remove this handle and install KTM Duke 200's handlebar. You can see the handlebar is placed right over there. I'll show you how to install that handlebar in this. So there's going to be a special video, and this is the part 2 video in the process of building a street commutator. So let's continue now. So guys, as you can see here, this right here is the handlebar of Duke 200. You can see how broad it is, and these two are the handlebar holders, that is the mounting bracket. You can see actually it is one set guys, it will come like this. So it will be like this. What I've done is I've cut it into two pieces, one is here and one more is here. So you'll need the handlebar of KTM Duke 200 or Dominar 400, and you'll need the handlebar mounting brackets along with two bolts for each, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the Allen key bolt through which we are going to install this in my ct100. So right now let me just show you how to install it. Before we get started guys, first we'll have to remove this handlebar. So to remove this handlebar, we'll have to remove these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then remove this master cylinder, that is for the front brake. Remove this throttle along with its right switch set, and same the left switch set along with the yoke of clutch, that is the clutch lever, and this gripper. So I'll just remove this, and then I'll show you how to install this handlebar of Duke 200 in this bike over here. The process is same for any bike. You can follow this and install to any bike. So let's continue now.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind.
So guys, you can see here, these are the two different handlebars. This one over here is the handlebar of Duke 200. You can see how broad it is. I'll try to show it to you. Here, you can see how broad and how fat it is. It's made of aluminium and it's strong. Whereas this one is of Pulsar, that is, we have installed the Pulsar's fork set along with its handlebar. So this is the handlebar of that. And this is the Duke handlebar. I'll just compare them and show it to you once. So the first one here is the handlebar of Duke, and the second over there is Pulsar's handlebar. You can see the difference. That kind of looks small and this is big and broader. And we cannot install this handlebar directly. You can see the thickness over here. It's too broad. I'll show you here. And the thickness of this one is small. So we'll have to use the same KTM mounting brackets. And the rider's position also is going to change guys, because you can see the shape. It's kind of like this. It gives a broad look and good comfort compared to that Pulsar's handlebar. I'll show you now. You can see. Now you can spot the difference easily. And we're going to increase the height of that handlebar slightly guys, like 1 or 2 inches. So right now let me just show you how to install that handlebar, Duke's handlebar, in Pulsar or ct100 or any bike. So let's continue now. So here we have opened the handlebar. You can see here there's nothing present. So right now let me just show you how I'm going to install my Duke's handlebar. You can see here guys, when we go to place the handlebar directly over here, it doesn't fit. There's a gap here and we can't install it like this. There's one possibility, that is we'll have to get this part grinded and the mounting bracket also grinded, then we can install this. But if you do that, the height of the bike will go down and this part will be permanently damaged, that is the top T plate. Later on, if you want to make it back into stock, you'll have to buy a new piece. So instead I've got alternate way, so we're going to do it in that way. I'll show you now how it is done. So this is the mounting bracket of pulsar which comes in stock. So first we are going to install this one like this. Then on top of that, guys, you can see there is the KTM's mounting holder bracket. So I'm using this Allen key bolt, which is very lengthy. The length of it should be such that it's gonna go like this. Enter from here, and then go to the bottom, guys. That is from here. So I'll just show you how to do that. We are gonna install it like this. Then this piece will be installed here. One more will come over here, guys. So we're gonna follow this procedure. This is the best way to install different handlebar in pulsar, and you'll even get height that is of 2 to 3 inches, which will give more comfort while riding the bike. So let's continue. One is here, other piece is also gonna come here, guys. So let's continue. And one more thing, guys, you can see there's one more new trouble. That is, when I install this path is lengthy, whereas I can't get this part installed up here. So it kind of looks like this. It's not correct. So what we'll have to do right now is we're gonna have to get this part cut here and this part over here, and the same thing goes on the top mounting bracket also. Cut this piece here and here, so that it look clean and neat when we install this. So I'm gonna get these 4 pieces cut, 1 2 3 4, and get back to you. Then we'll install it like this. Or the other way of installing right now is we'll have to flip it over and install, but it won't look good, guys, because it will kind of look something like this. And I'll try to show you. This piece will look like this, and this one is gonna look like this. So it won't be looking good. So we are gonna have to get these pieces cut. I'll see you after it's finished, guys. That is, I'll get this part cut and I'll get back to you. Yeah, people. So I thought I'll get these 2 pieces cut, but I got one more idea. That is, if you install it in this way, it's looking good. So we'll give it a try. We'll install this mounting brackets in this direction. We'll use it for some time, and even after that, if it's not looking good, then it's simple. I'll just gonna have to remove the handlebar, get these pieces cut here and here, install it back. So let's continue now.
Breathing in, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless.
So right now there is the Duke's handlebar. So first we'll like when you go to install any handlebar, you'll have to insert the clutch lever first, then this box. After that you'll have to install the right side switch box. Then you'll have to go for the throttle along with its handle gripper. At the last you'll have to install the master cylinder, that is the brake lever of the front side. So I'll just show you now. Let's continue. And you can see here how good it looks. That is the stock Pulsar's handlebar mounting bracket. On top of that, this KTM's mounting bracket over here. So it's so strong. You can see the bike itself is shaking. So let's continue.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where.
So guys, you can see how broad it looks right now. Yeah, you can see here, this is the handlebar, and how broad and cool it looks. I'm gonna fix it like this. So let me just continue installing the throttle cable that side, the handlebar switches, and then I'll get back to you after that.
Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely.
here it is, guys. You can see I've successfully finished installing Duke's handlebar in my ct100. You can see how broad it looks, the handle, so broad, and the finished look is also good. You can see this kind of looks like a good style. I'll show you how it looks from the side. So kind of looks like this. There's lighting problem here, guys, so let me just take my bike outside and then I'll show it to you over there. And this angle kind of looks like this. Right now, guys, I've showed you how to install KTM Duke's handlebar in my ct100. The process is same for installing any handlebar in any bike. So I hope you like this video. Do hit a like if you like this video, and comment below like if you have any doubts. See you in my next video, guys. In my next video, I'm going to install a different bike's footrest and change the angle of seating in my bike. So do check out that video. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye.